Guys, today I am going to show you how to look like this in Minecraft. Okay, so first you will go to options and then you go to controls. Now you scroll all the way down. Don't mind all of these. Just scroll all the way down. You will go to toggle perspective and then you go here. This will probably say F5. But I can't put that on there. It doesn't work. But like mine is Q. You can put like whatever you want. Like oh my god. Like oh P. Whatever this is. But I'm going to keep it at Q. And I'll show you what we do in my world. Okay, so whatever letter or number you put there, you put on your toggle perspective, you will click it, and then you will look like this. If you click it again, it will look like this. Hello. And if you click it again, you will just go back to normal. So, yeah. Thank you for watching, and goodbye.